The "A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece" t-shirt encapsulates the essence of both style and substance, offering a unique blend of creativity and comfort. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this remarkable piece of apparel embodies the spirit of individuality and self-expression. The design itself is a testament to artistic innovation, featuring a mesmerizing array of avian and mammalian creatures rendered in vivid detail against a backdrop of vibrant hues. Each animal seems to possess a distinct personality, engaging in a silent yet captivating conversation that draws the viewer in, inviting them to ponder the intricacies of the natural world. From the graceful soar of an eagle to the playful antics of a squirrel, every creature depicted on the shirt serves as a conversation piece in its own right, sparking dialogue and fostering connection among those who encounter it. What truly sets this t-shirt apart, however, is not just its striking visual appeal, but also its exceptional quality and comfort. Made from 100% cotton, sourced and manufactured in the United States, it boasts a luxuriously soft texture that feels delightful against the skin. Breathable and lightweight, it is the perfect companion for any occasion, whether it be a leisurely stroll through the park or a night out on the town. The fabric's superior durability ensures that the shirt withstands the test of time, retaining its shape and color wash after wash, while also minimizing environmental impact through sustainable production practices. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece hoodie. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece t-shirt. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece sweater. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece tank top. A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece V-neck. Moreover, the "A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece" t-shirt transcends mere fashion to become a statement of values. By choosing this garment, wearers not only align themselves with a commitment to quality and craftsmanship but also support local economies and ethical manufacturing practices. Each shirt is a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who bring it to life, representing a fusion of artistry and integrity that is truly rare in today's fast-paced world. In conclusion, the "A Lot Like Birds Animals Conversation Piece" t-shirt is more than just an article of clothing. It is a symbol of individuality, creativity, and conscientious consumerism. With its captivating design, superior quality, and ethical production, it stands as a shining example of what apparel can and should be. A reflection of our values, our passions, and our commitment to making a positive impact on the world around us. Other product